Hey, this is Scott Moran, the co-founder of Samcart, the fastest growing e-commerce platform online. And in today's video, I will show you the perfect business model for selling physical products. We've already done videos on the perfect business model for selling ebooks or digital products. I will put those links down below this video in case you want to check those out. But selling online has changed, and the traditional models are quickly becoming dinosaurs. So when you ask people if you can sell physical products on Samcart, the answer is always the same. Yes, you can, but it's going to take thinking about things a little differently than the old school strategy of just build a storefront. Selling physical products is actually our fastest growing segment on Samcart. More and more physical product businesses are selling their products, not their store. But I'll dive into that in just a minute. Whether you already have a popular product line or you are looking to add a new physical product to your offerings, then this is the business model you will need to bring that idea to life. In a second, I'll show you why Samcart is perfect if you want to sell physical products. But first, I want to talk about why most people fail when it comes to selling physical products. As you probably know, tons of websites are available for people who want to build a storefront and sell their products. Websites like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. As great as those websites are, most people using them aren't making a lot of money. In fact, the average seller on Samcart makes 2 to 3 times more than the average seller on Shopify. And we haven't even been around that long. The problem is that those sites are built around having users build storefronts to showcase all of their products, and storefronts don't convert. They are confusing, unfocused, and way too open-ended. They make the buying experience too difficult for your customers. It's like you know you want a new iPhone case, and then going to the mall to find out what's available. Sure, that used to work great, but nowadays you probably wouldn't do that, would you? Instead, you go on Amazon, you search for iPhone cases, and you find the one you want. That's kind of like driving to Home Depot and just searching for the tool that you know you need for that job in your backyard. Now, you go on Amazon and you find the exact tool you're looking for and buy it instantly. People already know what they want. They aren't looking for a whole entire store full of products. They are looking for one product, which is why the perfect business model for a physical product now starts by showcasing one product being sold on one page. Samcart's top physical product sellers all take their best-selling product and create a single page that highlights its best features, its best benefits. They add in testimonials and reviews from past customers. They toss in a few high-quality images and pretty much anything else they need to entice people to buy it. And then they drive people to this page to go buy. This page focuses your visitors' attention on your best offer with no distractions and no endless other pages to scroll and click through. Just one offer and a page that sells the heck out of it. The natural next question is, well, then how do I sell my other products? And that's where things get really interesting. Showcasing one offer on one page does not mean that you won't let your customers add other stuff to their order. Samcart just does it a little differently. Your sales page should also consist of the ability to cross-sell other products. Just like how Amazon recommends that you add another item to your cart when you're buying something, you should do this exact same thing using a feature that we call an order bump. Your customers can add more stuff to their order just by clicking on one simple checkbox right before they enter their payment information and buy. With Samcart, you can even offer multiple order bumps on the same page, an absolute slam dunk for maximizing the value of every new order you bring in. You can even take it a step further and sell even more products by offering customers a one-click upsell. After your customers place their order, you can showcase another special offer, like an extended warranty for that new bed frame, or a second laptop dock for half off, and customers can purchase it with a single click of the mouse. They don't have to log back into PayPal or pull their credit card back out of their pocket. Listen to how powerful this feature is. Samcart's database shows us that adding a single one-click upsell increases the value of every customer by an average of 68.1%. So you are still selling a ton of your other products, but you're just doing it in a new way that fits with how online buying is changing. This strategy is laser focused on guiding your visitors through the process and making it easier for them to buy. The beauty with Samcart is that we make it super easy to do all of this without ever needing a single line of code or relying on a single third-party plugin. With our drag and drop builder, it allows you to easily build beautiful, high-converting pages in minutes. And with just a few clicks of your mouse, you can quickly add different types of order bumps and cross-sells to get the most out of every single new order. Not only that, but you can also easily create those one-click upsells that I talked about after a customer purchases without needing a single line of code or any third-party plugins. Another great thing about Samcart is that we allow you to have full control over your business. So when you sell your product, you get to keep all of the customer's information. This will allow you to follow up with customers for future communication and special offers, an essential part of the growth of any physical product business. And our physical product sellers love our cart abandonment feature for people who just come to your page but don't actually buy. This allows you to automatically add these prospects to sequences and bring them back to your product and help them finish their purchase. We have another video that goes through 3 of our favorite cart abandonment campaigns that you can check out here on YouTube, so you can start winning back a huge chunk of your lost sales. We'll link to that in the description below. We also make shipping your orders super easy by integrating with fulfillment centers like ShipStation. Or if you sell on Amazon, you can connect with Amazon FBA. There's built-in shipping and handling costs, and even sales tax, so you're always collecting exactly what you need to avoid that big government tax bill at the end of the year. Now, with all that being said, I don't think you should altogether delete your storefront if you have one. It can serve as an excellent place for your brand and a site for customers to visit and repeat customers to easily buy again. But when growing a brand based around physical products, you are going to need to advertise and scale your sales up. So ask yourself what you think those brand new visitors would like better: going to a big storefront and searching for what they want, or a single page showcasing the very product that they were already looking for. That's what I mean by sell your product, not your store. Physical product sellers are sensing the shift that has happened in e-commerce, and you might want to look at your own storefront with some fresh eyes. So as you can see, building a successful business with physical products isn't that difficult. You just need one great product and a page that showcases it. Put all your effort into making that page as enticing as possible, then give your visitors the right opportunities to buy other products from you. And with Samcart, we do our best to make selling any product easy for you, with all the features you need baked right in. So be sure to check out samcart.com and grab a free demo today. You can see exactly how more than 10,000 businesses have sold more than $1.5 billion of their own products, goods, and services through our platform. And of course, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more just like it. Today's e-commerce landscape is changing, and I cannot wait to hear about what happens when you shift your focus away from that storefront and start showcasing one great product at a time. Thanks for watching.